child.
Why leaders and constitution makers?
Of all these walls and crimes.
Get yourself reformed. Get yourself reformed. Put your back in the lotion one more time.
What's wrong, mankind?
What's wrong with our people?
Are we losing our minds?
Think about it. What do I say?
So much war and crime.
Unnecessary, unnecessary.
Getting out of line.
Save your divine.
What's the use for fighting all the time?
What is the use?
It's best for us to unite.
Why not come together and be a united force to reckon with?
So much to lose if we don't leave the strife behind and walk into your life.
Who's the man dancing? Are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? People need to realize their aim and the temper strange as the leaders play their game. Will things ever be the same? Well, are you gonna change? Are you gonna stay the same? The people realize their aim and the temper strange as the leaders play their games. Will things ever be the same?
Why be unkind to your fellow man?
Why can't we show some love and kindness?
Distress and pain
to each and every man,
spreading across the land.
Peace and happiness, you know.
It's the same blood that rolls through our veins.
Hear that?
All this killing is a shame. Stop this sacrilege, apply some knowledge. It's about time we make a change.
Tell them no, no.
What we got to do to make the leaders understand?
There must be something we can do to make this wrong. See the plight of the people. Realize them can't go on stupid no more.
We got to come together, my people, make a stand.
What am I saying?
Love across the land.
What am I saying? Lord, realizing our fake life can be so great. Lend and helping and put a smile on your face. Why should we annihilate when we cannot create? Why the leaders of the country refuse to move straight? Senseless killings, who is to be blamed? The ignorance and seeking fame, the poor man feel the pain. And all who can't take it from up an aeroplane. From the hardship and strain, no one greet one another in the streets anymore. Peace and famine are just rich and poor. Put to the man that send that junior, it really hardcore. Luciano, slow, slow some more.
So long, so long, so long.
Our pain and our pounds.
And so you sit upon the throne, your name must be known.
Give thanks for your life in the morning and evening time. Give thanks for your life, and everything will be fine. Give thanks for your life in the morning and evening time. Give thanks for your life, and everything will be fine. I'm good, I'm fine, I'm well. In the holy place we dwell. I'm clean, I'm pure, I'm blessed. Are you the same? Say yes. We all should live as one. Every day as we go along. And child help us to be strong. And don't you do no wrong. Give thanks for your life in the morning and evening time. Give thanks for your life, and everything will be fine. Give thanks for your life in the morning and evening time. Give thanks for your life, and everything will be fine. Girls and boys live in love, love and joy stay above. Guns and the bombs they shed blood. We don't need nothing no one. Roots and the rights always flow. Material things come and go. Precious is life, you must know. Give thanks for your life in the morning and evening time. Give thanks for your life, and everything will be fine. Anthony B and Luciano, rise up, Rasta banner.
We never leave the room. Now leave the root. Now sell out. We love Jah from the root.
From foundation.
The root.
How when me say, never gonna sell out my roots. No, I nah live like no roast bread fruit. Never gonna sell out my culture. Come on now, Rasta forever, and now we are born the vulture. Lion can't turn, Zion can't pop down. Wear me not the Congo, now go shave and cut the top down. Fi find the food, the bubble juggle in a the hot sun. Don't go rob nobody but me got done your man.
Now leave the roots. We can't leave the roots. We never leave the roots. Now leave the roots. We love Jah from the roots. The roots. With the Naga Bingi, our 12 tribe of Israel, Abba Shanti, we hail the God of Israel, loving one another, each his brother's keeper, chanting night and day, and bless the living fire. Now leave the roots. We can't leave the roots. We love Jah from the roots. Yes, the roots. There ain't no stopping us now. And this ain't no
all enslaved and carried away to Babylon. From the 1500s to the 1900s, this went on. What do you call it?
South Pacific slavery. No, they never told me.
Something they never taught me about in school that I believe I should know. Right. All right now.
Why you never tell me? You try to hide it from me.
Take away my culture, try to control my soul. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
No, they can't. And no, they won't.
Stop the revelators from revelating in this revelation time. All right now.
Seek the truth, teach the truth, seek and find. Free your mind, realize. Don't tell me no lie. Open your eyes, visualize. Hey.
Yo. Kidnappers kidnapped from their families, I would never see them again. 80,000 of my people shipped off to a foreign land. Descended from Noah, true Israelites from the house of Shem. Forced by the command of England. And so
Jah judge the queen. She ain't no human being. Push it up on YouTube, call it Blackbird.
So long, I've been sitting here so long.
Yeah, yeah.
And somehow I've got to be strong.
Yeah, yeah.
And from they put their chain on me.
Yeah, yeah.
I know one day I'm gonna be free.
Yeah, yeah.
No matter what they try to take you through, I know Jah will never give up on you. I got to stand firm in my faith, cause I know that my God is great. Call upon him cause it's never too late. Why worry when you can pray? Know that the Father will free us one day. Why worry when you can pray? In the Father just trust and obey. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
gangster. I didn't commit no murder. Why you gotta treat me wrong? And why you got to stay so long? If it wasn't for Jah, who was there for me? My Bible and my prayer was my only company. I didn't get no letter today, but I still thank Jah anyway. 3 meals a day, somewhere to stay. At least I got bills to pay. I've been sitting here so long.
Yeah, yeah.
And somehow I'm got to be strong.
Yeah, yeah.
The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom and overstanding. Let's heed to the call. Come one and all. Let's humble ourselves and serve Him, so that Mother Earth rejoice again and meet our hearts of the sorrows and pain. Let the people rejoice and call on Your name, so the land can heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign, and the blessings of life will surely increase. Whenever there is love and peace, there'd be no need, there'd be no greed. 'Cause together we will all achieve. With one goal in mind, we're sure to find a global peace of mind. Then all war will cease from west unto east. And that is my belief. When the people rejoice and call on Your name, then the land will heal again. When the people unite and call on Your name, then the love of God will reign.
The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. They say I've got a 1 in a million chance to make it in their system for me to advance. They say I've got to sing their song and do their dance, but I won't compromise. I'm gonna take a stance. I rise, I rise. Though the odds they are against me, still I know there's victory. I rise, I rise. Though the odds they are against me, I
us make the world, let us make the world. Say for the children, make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world. Say for the children, make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world. Keep your surroundings clean and make the people happy. This is your word, you make it what you want it to be. Know your choice of words whenever time you're talking to me. Rich or poor, it really doesn't matter to me. Hey, the people are a system of the white column. Can't make a dollar and the leaders ain't no one to follow. It only takes you to make a difference. Be a real person, no need for pretense. Let us make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world. Say for the children, make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world. Say for the children, make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world. Say for the children, make the world, let us make the world, let us make the world.
Say bless me, Jaja, with love overflowing, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the Most High I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Thou art my portion, Jarastafari. I entreat thy favor with thine own heart. Be your merciful unto I, according to your words. I make haste and sometimes forget to pray. Yeah, now say, now who am I to judge or complain? Even when the hands of the wicked had robbed me, but they cannot steal my flame that burns deep within. I know Jaja will make a better way. Now I say, bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the Most High I give praise. Over yonder it be greater to see my King's face, Lord. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Jah never let me down, Jah never let I fall. Jah keep me on higher ground, even when my enemies wanna get me out. Oh, I might keep my faith in Jah. Sorrow might comes in the night, but I know joy will be there in the morning, waiting on you, my friend. Now it seems like them forget them foundation. Roots and culture fi burn Babylon. Them slave get the youth and figure sleep in a diamond. Some me get to know the whole of them are pagans, but I say there have to be a revolution. When I get caught up in all them solution, I burn them division and them devil slogan. Them can't come trick I am man. Hey, hey. Bless my heart, oh Jaja, guide I through the day. Lead me into your righteous hands, to the Most High I give praise.
When Jah call your name, you better be ready. There's a judgment day for every little thing. Whatever you do to the least of these little ones, not long, all coming back to you. Monsters scaring the children. Every day, another baby missing. Who are these evil beings hiding behind the scene? The weak and the innocent are always your victim. When Jah call your name, you better be ready. There's a judgment day for every little thing. Whatever you do to the least of these little ones, not long, all coming back to you. There's a fire that's burning here for you. Psalms and prayers, now you make it chanting too. I
protect me from the enemy. And now put my faith in a mankind. Jah watch over me, the Eden of enemy. Protect me from the enemy. And now put my faith in a mankind.
Why man bad mind? Aja a guide one day at a time. Me know them know me, no do them nothing why. You must say me shoulda dead long time.
Just tell me look out wonders and signs. If you have a mill and me have a dime, what's yours is yours, what's mine is mine.
So what is to Caesar, no due to us? Last year,
Jah watch over me, the Eden of enemy. Protect me from the enemy. Now put my faith in a mankind. Jah watch over me, the Eden of enemy. Protect me from the enemy. Now put my faith in a mankind.
Them tell me say them love me, and behind my back them want to hurt me. Me ex-girl tell me say she love me, she really never mean it, she play me dirty.
My mother teach me from day one, flesh and no divine relation. Born in a sin, shape in a iniquity, so you can't touch creation.
Last year,
Jah watch over me, the Eden of enemy. Protect me from the enemy. Now put my faith in a mankind. Jah watch over me, the Eden of enemy. Protect me from the enemy. Now put my faith in a mankind.
Jah said,
be strong, be strong.
You think a little fight them fight, you think a little fight, you think a little fight them fight. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on. Oh, wait, no, wait. You think a little try them try, you think a little try, you think a little try them try. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on. I face disturbance and embarrassment. I have been ill-treated, but I never keep silent. I can't get stagnant, I start stagnant from a distance. I know it's important. Hope on this land, well. You think a little fight and fight, you think a little fight, you think a little fight and fight. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on. Oh yes, you think a little try them try, you think a little try, you think a little try them try. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on. Rasta take I across Mount Zion's way, so I can change my ways and brighten my days. Yes. Babylon I love in a decent time. I won't complicate myself, they can't confuse my mind. You think a little fight and fight, you think a little fight, you think a little fight and fight. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on. Oh, wait. You think a little try them try, you think a little try, you think a little try them try. But I press on and on and on. Oh, I press on and on and on and on and on. Do I know weaker street? Make I no get deleted. I'm dominant.
If you wanna read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you never go. Work harder. Love your mother and your father, your sisters and your brother. And even when the going gets harder, yeah, make sure you stick together. Share love for one another, like birds of a feather. Good over evil and on the evil endeavor. If you want to read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you want to reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. You will back if you try. Them say opportunity come only but once. So when it come, make sure you advance. And nobody tell me say you never get a chance. Work hard for your needs and not do for your wants. Keep it straight, don't tell me say you slack. Work sound and power, say no lock down the dance. You love to hear the youth, them a chant. Agriculture, food, have a plan. If you want to read, then you have to soul. Food of you eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food of you grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you want to reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. Have your direction and you have to take a stand. Who like the lion and humble like the lamb. Know where you're going and where you're coming from. Have to know yourself and you have to set a plan.
I see the hard work and I grudge it. Yeah, I just shower praise, you know. Yeah, yeah. Rastaman now bow. Just give me reparation, no. Now work for corruption, now Illuminati car. We not take them vote. Hey yo, Rastaman now bow. And we no care for no home. When we smoke up the herb and give thanks and praises, we get higher than cloud. Yo, long time I done sign to no speed. Now share the riches and now tell me about greed. Cause if I not the same ear man breed. Cause if I not the same blood man bleed. Babylon mix up like liquor and weed. What a calamity if we not get feed. Oh, you take the fruit and you not plant no seed. Me and a Rastafari greed. Me make you know Rastaman now bow. Just give me reparation, no. Now work for corruption, now Illuminati car. We not gonna take them vote. Listen now, Rastaman now bow. And we not care for no home. When we smoke up the ganja, give thanks and praises, we get higher than cloud. Listen, how you come amongst the rest and attack some, and I watch people things like a ox up. How you take your skin and make a man mark you up. Then you turn and sell people things to snort up. Judgment not have no question to ask you. Make you know not even a pound it a cost you. After fire when the emperor pass you, burn them up and then last year, me make you know Rastaman now bow. Just give me reparation, no. Now work for corruption, now Illuminati car. We not gonna take them vote. Watch you know, Rastaman now bow. And we no care for no how. When we smoke up the herb and give thanks and praises, we get higher than cloud. Listen, Rastafari. Only yeah, special bus
in the world, rest of them a struggler. You are the realest life we a live. No carbon copy. Most time we broke a we now have it. And the hardest life we a live. Life rocky and rugged. Most time we broke a we now have it. You hardly find food for me tummy. Nothing not too pretty. Most time we broke a we now have it. Sometimes no give a thing to me mommy. Nah, come on, time we broke it. Sad to say, nothing not change. You test up the same way. Don't in the ghetto full of pure darkness. Fear promise them make, and them still a guess. But we not give up, we still a go same way. Cause me have to break the case. When me grandpapa them face, now accept the West. Yeah, me have to stay alive, like digital one vibe. Because of the realest life we a live. No carbon copy. Most time we broke a we now have it. And the hardest life we a live. Life rocky and rugged. Most time we broke a we now have it. You hardly find food for me tummy. Nothing not too pretty. Most time we broke a we now have it. Sometimes no give a thing to me mommy. Nah, come on, son, we broke. I we come from Kivale. Them say them sick away, but of them we sick of them not give we opportunity. To we from Namiville, them say we not positive. But to be someone is my prerogative. To we from Dunkirk, them class we as the West. But enough you down there, them a look a work. Get a youths, we struggling so much, but we not giving up, giving up, giving up. You are the realest life we a live. No carbon copy. Most time we broke a we now have it. And the hardest life we a live. Life rocky and rugged. Most time we broke a we now have it. You hardly find food for me tummy. Nothing not too pretty. Most time we broke a we now have it. Young time no give a thing to me mommy. Nah, come on son we broke it. You are the realest life we a live. No carbon copy. Most time we broke a we now have it. And the hardest life we a live. Life rocky and rugged. Most time we broke a we now have it. You hardly find food for me tummy. Nothing not too pretty. Most time we broke a we now have it. Young time no give a thing to me mommy. Nah, come on son we broke it.
Lord is my light and shield. Whom shall I fear? I man fear no evil one. You have to firm in a Giddimani. This year I'm a Giddimani. Just be pure in thy thoughts, so people the bird of my head, but we still got to carry on. Carry on. Lead thy thoughts, that a when they step, becoming what the wicked heart of them proper said. I mean no one begin, heart in the filthiness. Give me the scent of Father, watch over the eye protein. Every morning as me rise, I give a thanks. Bongo from the Nile or the river banks. Yo, with these perilous times, I be vigilant. And from the end, them so far to deliver man. Well, oh well. The Lord is my light and shield. Who shall I fear? I can fear no evil one. You have to firm in a Giddimani. This year I'm a Giddimani. Just be pure in thy thoughts, as the children, the brood of my family. But you still got to carry on. Still have to carry on. Hey, when me pray and when me meditate, how the system of me brother them a suffocate. Man a fi burn a big spliff and a meditate. Bunny devil thing Rasta come fi set it straight. Yeah, me know say you weak hard and the dirty tough, but all a firm it best you go and live it up. You see your journey no stop, hey don't give it up. Hey Rasta for a test you see this silent do but give it up. Well. The Lord is my light and shield. Whom shall I fear? I don't fear no evil one. Firm in a Giddimani, this is how I'm a Giddimani. Just be pure in thy thoughts, Rasta people, the world of my time, but we still got to carry on. Carry on. Well, the truth must reveal that Jah lives forever. King Rastafari right where on this battlefield, I'm a fight like a soldier. My light and shield, whom shall I fear? I man fear no evil one. You have to firm in a Giddimani. This is how I'm a Giddimani. Just be pure in thy thoughts, as the children, the bird of my time, but we still got to carry on. Still have to carry on.
Bright lights, neon signs, billboards everywhere. Everybody wants to be a star. Oh, welcome to the city where the streets are golden. People put material things before them. Price that one woman like them in a store. And some are not even know themselves no more. And up on it to the whole world after. We had the cause of our own disaster. This a fire where you burn can't cool with water. Now go falter. I got to give my heart to Jaja. There is no profit in gaining the world. I got to give my soul to Jaja. There is no profit in gaining the world. Losing my soul. Lose my soul. My soul. Guns and warfare in these times. World leader, them a lose their mind. Them a try eliminate mankind. Just feel like a island gold where them a mine. But it's a judgment certain for reach you. So anything you sow you a go reap so. Them a try draw me out, but me not lose my way. Now sit down in at the council of the evil. I'll give my heart to Jaja. There is no profit in gaining the world. I've got to give my soul to Jaja. There is no profit
Charlie Pro got the whole place stir up. You know see the devil them a rise up too much. Them a try stop this pack of peanuts. Jah never fail, he never fails. Jah never fail, he never fails. Jah never fail, he never fails. Jah never fails, he never fails. The devil life get cut off. When you see the up full man a come fools not talk. Of your work get chopped, he then get stopped. Bad mind get flopped. Me and Charlie proceed on abundance before we are watching from afar. She said them not real, them underestimate the star. All them want to do is just to reach the cookie jar. Want me crash and broke me neck in my car. And just to get the base of me, them all try. They try to drive me out, sing me not tell you no lie. But tell them that the limit is the sky. Jah is my protector on both sides. Jah never fail, he never fail.
fails. Jah never fails. He never fails. Jah never fails. He never fails. Jah never fails. He never fails. Yo, them a wait for see me done. Like a crab in a barrel, them a try to draw me down. With them a wait for see no come. I lock them off like out some Whizz and some gangster lock them gun. So them a pre me, want defeat me. Cause they all can't be me, but they gon' see me. I'ma rise like the sun. Them never know me would I get this far. Judge a guide and protect this star. Fans and family make this star. Jah alone he break this star. Jah never fails. He never fails. Jah never fails. He never fails. Jah never fails. He never fails. Jah never fails.
Oh God, by the grace of God me I live. And every day man I think positive. And all the go on them I go on. Still I feel love me give. Yeah, why should I worry? Why should I fear? When me left on me burden, you know the Father's care. Why should I worry? Why should I fear? Oh God, say them mighty, but today over them can't compare. Yeah. So when the devil send them come to try make you straight, after things where you don't know about, you lose your way. Just lift your hands to the sky and call on the Most High. Almighty I never deny. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? When me left on me burden, you know the Father's care. Why should I worry? Why should I fear? Oh God, say them mighty, but today over them can't compare. Yeah, I don't see them. Me now have no time to free them. After me now study Eden. Father God, please free them. Forgive them, Lord, cause them don't know what they have done. Hey, them lose from them right get your son. Yeah, them be know I be a blessing of love. And clean it whiter than the snow. Oh, wicked heart shall reap on them soul. That be here from a little and I grow. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? When me left on me burden, you know the Father's care.
And walk through this world with I breathe my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Every day is the same old cry. Every day we just fuss and fight. And like to know what's going on down here. Oh Jah, take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. They took your life from Africa and bring your life in bondage. Promise that they gonna free I. All I get is distraction. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Tired to see children dying. I'm tired to see mothers crying. They took your life from Africa and bring your life in bondage. Please take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I. Take it away, take it away. Oh, take away from this land of bondage. Take my hand, oh Jah, and walk through this world with I.
justice. Yes, I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. Hey, wisdom dwells together with prudence. I possess wisdom and discretion, cause I hate all pride and arrogance, evil behavior and perverse speech. Oh, counsel and judgment belong to Jaja. So I, man, will never judge my brother. As I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I'm walking in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. Justice. I was here from the beginning of time. By eternity I was so divine, with the words of justice. Yes, I walk in the way of the righteous, and along in the path of justice. I'm a walking in the way of the righteous, hey, and along in the path of justice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a walking in thy way. Yeah. When trumpets sound,
for sure. Come make me burn down round for sure. The fire is so pure. Come make me burn down round for sure. We are gonna burn down round for sure. For sure, the fire is so pure. Yo, long time we have to rot pan pagan. Them a worship the mark of the base. Long time we have to burn down Vatican. Make them know we have to trod it to this. This your world, them say ruled by Satan. Jackie with power for conquer and defeat. Cause blood of the saints cry for vengeance, and in this there's no repentance. Sing again. Blood of the saints cry for vengeance. Illuminati get their sentence, yo again. Blood of the saints cry for vengeance, and in this there is no repentance. Blood of the saints cry for vengeance. Illuminati get them death sentence, yo. Come make us burn down round for sure. Come make us burn down round for sure. The fire is so pure. Come make me burn down round for sure. We are gonna burn down round for sure. The fire is so pure. Youth man sick, throat rise to a higher heights. No make dirty Babylon tell you no bold face lie. Them a iniquity worker, traitors and spy, but them can't stop the powers of Rastafari. No matter what them do and no matter what them try, the whole of them go out to I still I see I was. Blood of the saints cry for vengeance, and in this there's no repentance. Sing again. Blood of the saints cry for vengeance. Illuminati get their death sentence. Go again.
Smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly-dally. Non-stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch it pagan, them a ball and them a beg. Non-stop, smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly-dally. Non-stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch it wicked, them a ball and them a beg. Herb is the healing of the nation, so tell me why them fighting it. Just know the chalice, Rastaman, and keep lighting it. And hold a firm meditation, I not take no talking of this, me burn a fire from Babylon. And them come with them cooking and chuck it on the youths, and now it mash them up, I tell you it's not joking. This is what I promoting. If I herbs alone election time, I will be voting. Now stop, smoke it up in the hills, down at the blaze it until me eyes them red. Me watch you wicked, them a ball and them a beg. I tell you this, the marijuana good for cancer. Yes, it calm your nerves and it throw the asthma. So send a bird out to the prime minister for your beards and stop like it down like a private charge for marijuana. Give I a good vibe, we do good music, and I know the music keep me alive, yeah. So I smoke it day and night. Even the doctor say everything is alright, so me not stop. Smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly dally. Non stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch it pagan, them a ball and them a beg. Non stop, smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly dally. Non stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch it wicked, them a ball and them a beg. Earth is the healing of the nation, so tell me why them fighting it. Just load the chalice, Rastaman, and keep lighting it. And all of her meditation, I not take no talking. And this me dash a fire pan Babylon. And them come with them cooking and chuck it on the youths. And now we mash them up and tell you it's no joking. This is what I promoting. If a herbs alone election time, I will be voting. Non-stop, smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly dally. Non-stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch it pagan, them a ball and them a beg. Non-stop, smoke it up in the hills, down at the valley, through Babylon, higher dilly dally. Non-stop, blaze it until my eyes them red. Me watch you wicked, them a ball and them a beg. I non-stop smoke for the marijuana.
The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Whoa, well, and the firmament show forth his handiworks. Glorious, tears. Praises be unto the Most High God, Jah, Rastafari. The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Whoa, well, and the firmament show forth his handiworks. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of the Almighty. Judgment for those who deny thy name. See, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie, I the first. Search for the man with the word of Jah. Oh yeah. The one who's got the whole world in his hands. Oh yeah. Might and power of the Trinity. Seal and sign and no one can deny it. No way. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie, I the first. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering Lion of Judah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, all worldwide Savior. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, conquering Lion of Judah. Yeah. Kings of kings and the lords of lords, Rasta Savior. Yeah. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie, I the first. Whoa, the earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof. Whoa, yeah. And the firmament show forth his handiworks. Whoa, glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of the Almighty. Judgment for those who deny thy name. Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari, Jah Rastafari. Haile Selassie, I the first.
Watch out right now. Let me introduce myself. My name is Forelock, and this is the first time. So I love record. Let me tell you this. Right side I get my talk. Me I go keep it clear. Watch out again. Now false God I follow them and run away from we. Yeah this. But shot them run I use put in a trip on human fear. Wanna hear this? False promise I go burn cause universal love appear. Right now I tell them, say up down and no time for ever the meal. And no one can find any strangers tears. Truth and justice push me on sincere. You, that's why me ask you so. Choose up a more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now. What you know? Vampire gonna kill you, can't have no will. Can't believe in a society, man, a flash in it. Can't answer to the question, what happened is it? Them that define you right, you will fist up in it. Can you hear me? Why do them want them are running away from this? A poor man should rise up from a clip, seen it. You know well that pain, so me top most agree. Them a vulture and them just wanna squeeze it. Choose up a more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now. So far more. It's time to rise up now.
Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. Say unto Jah, I stretch forth my right hand. Say guide and protect me all night and day long. Say never let me weak, always let me strong. He that try to rise, get beyond like Satan. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. So many times they might pressure me. So many times they might try stop me. But one find protected by the Almighty. Reggae protected by the Almighty. Simple Simon protected by the Almighty. We all are protected by the Almighty. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. This a time gone by, other shoes on my feet. Night and day, me have to hide from street. Time gone by, other shirt on my back. I've no money to take to the shop. I don't stop aim till I reach it up. So tell me how I could ever forgot. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. Victory to see the promised land. When I remember where I'm coming from. It don't easy to make it to the top. Whenever time you reach, I don't to step back. Storming knocking on your way, we have to move that. Rain don't fall on one man no stop. Cause all them attack, yeah, is on the attack.
Babylon are just hard fake of them. But Rasta no wanna fake a friend. The whole world in a problem sake of them. But this is what I name gun job. Babylon I run like SpongeBob. I say you take away my all and everything I have. I know you get me mad. The one I name gun job. Think good Babylon I flirt like a them name Squidward. But you can't get me I trade off of me shirt. Babylon your blouse okay, then. So many times Babylon boy them disrespect us. Take away my birthright and my gold and then them want to get us. Black man black woman to the western world them come reject us. Holy Ghost, never leave us, not Jesus. Money go mash down the free master dance and circus. Kick over slave master tea and thermos. Repatriation is a must. Like Michael Jackson by the. But this is one that name gun job. Babylon has blurred like SpongeBob. I say you take away my all and everything I have. I know you get me mad. The one that name gun job.
Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know why the youth's blood have to flow. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know why do the youth blood flow? Righteousness that I do them like no time to fuss, no time to fight. Gotta work hard every day and night to make two ends meet that shine no light. Too much war, that's more problem. My only child of the real is them. Peace and love, make sure you have them. Clean and free, push up your hands them. Got to look out for the hungry child because nobody else nobody get wild. Hear them a chat, be a disrespect. So many use Babylon neglect. Pass the youth, now send them home. Turn them back to feed them own. Who jobless now, man can curse. Everybody living on this. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know Why the youth's blood have to flow? Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know. Why do the youth blood flow? Them no business people are suffer Babylon. Now the food that dash away in the gutter. Education, the youth them don't want no house meditation. Every youth. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know. Why do the youth blood flow? Righteousness never use them like no time to fuss, no time to fight. Gotta work hard every day and night to make two ends meet that shine no light. Too much one, that's more problem. My only child of can really some them. Peace and love, make sure you have them. Clean and free, push up your hands them. Got to look out for the hungry child because nobody get wild. Hear them attack, be a disrespect. So many youth Babylon neglect. Pass the youth, not send them home. Turn them back and feed them own. Who jobless now, man can curse. Everybody living on this side. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know. Why the youth's blood have to flow? Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting to know. Why do the youth blood flow? Them no business people are suffer Babylon. Now the food that dash away in the gutter. Education, the youth them don't want no house meditation. Every youth want plant a farm. Get up and do it now. Just can't wait any means anyhow. Don't realize Babylon don't care for the future. Make sure you prepare. Why do they close the gate when there's no food in my plate? Interesting to know. Why the youth's blood have to flow? Why do they close the gate when there's no food in the plate? Interesting. Lift me higher. Here you are in my arms. I'm giving you all my time. Here you are in my bed, girl. What do you expect me to say? Caress me now. Make the best of me. Caress me, girl. I love the energy. Caress me now. Make the best of me. Caress me, girl. I love the energy. Baby, wind your waist. Come, let that twist it for you. Your body's in a way. Come let me fix it for ya. I love the rhythm multiply. Come let me mix it for ya. You got me each and every day. That's victory for you. Caress me now. Make the best of me. Caress me, girl. I love the energy. Caress me now. Make the best of me. Caress me, girl.
You, Shandaya. Live and learn. Work hard and you will earn. Live and learn. Every man has his turn. Live and learn. Work hard and you will earn. You better live and learn. Every man has his turn. Look ahead and see the signs. Don't pretend you're blind. Only your efforts will make a difference in this your time. The world is changing, rearranging. Be careful of mankind. Open your eyes and be objective and do
how far you're coming from. Remain humble, even when you stumble. Times may get uncomfortable. Life is a lesson you learn. Sometimes you get burned. You will have your time to smile in return.
Give you so much love and affection. That's all I needed in return. But it looks like I'm heading for a heartbreak, and I might get hurt. If you don't love me, let me know right now. You don't know what my love is worth. Cause if you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. Cause if you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. I've been haunted by the certain feelings for quite some time. A little breeze has turned into a whirlwind. Gotta get it off my mind. Try to hold it just to see where it was going. Tried my best to be strong. Gave you some time just to get yourself together, but it's taking too long. If you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. If you don't, say you don't. Cause I ain't got no time to waste. And if you won't, say you won't. Another girl would love to take your place. Yeah, oh, yeah. Lord of mercy. It's gonna be me and you or you alone. So pick your choice. You got to get your act together. Oh my, yeah. Cause if you don't, say you don't.
The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Say it again. Tribulations make you stronger. In time you'll see. It didn't take long to realize that stumbling blocks are stepping stones. Ah, yeah. And as my confidence returns, I know Jah will never leave I alone. I've got to let you know.
The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Tribulations make me stronger. In time you see.
The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Yeah, yeah. Tribulations make you stronger. In time you see. You can lock up my body, but can't trap my mind. This corrupt system will always lead to crime. The people have no respect for authority. The mindset is on escaping poverty. See,
the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Tribulations make you stronger.
In time you see. The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Got to let you know, tribulations make you stronger. In time you see. Life is made with ups and downs. Life comes with twists and turns. Keep on keeping on. It comes right down to survival. The world is cynical. People claim it's cool to be tough. Business as usual. The competition is never enough.
The hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory.
Tribulations make you better, and that's the reality. Oh yeah.
Can't stop the rain from falling. All God's creatures
from crawling, or people from wanting more. Can't stop what nature does, can't stop who you fall in love, 'cause it's man's nature to conquer. But if you try a little harder, you're strong, you're a fighter. For the Father has given us power by the grace of God. But if you try a little harder, you're strong, you're a fighter. For the Father has given us power by the grace of God. Oh, my brother, you know the score. You got to do too much more. Yes, it's hard for sure. Like tilling the ground, but reaping what you sow. Oh, don't you know? But if you try a little harder, you're strong, you're a fighter. For the Father has given us power by the grace of God. By His grace He has given us the power. If you try a little harder, keep on trying. You're strong, you're a fighter. For the Father has given us power by the grace of God. Yeah. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Look how you left with and gone. Still we got to carry on and on. Hey, hey. No preach, no revival. This is for survival. We got to sacrifice. Every tongue must confess. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. No, 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 no. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Not even in the city, them no have no pity. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. No, 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 no. We've been oppressed for so long, so long. I test them, I test if we are still strong. Hey, them try to assess me, but Jaja him a bless me. Who Jah bless, no one curse. Thank Jah we pass the worst. Me say we can't give up. No matter how the time tough, them no want us to hang around here. Me say we
oh yes, it's a shame to see blood running down the drain. Them sell them soul for riches and fame. It's a shame. So when I campaign, we burn them over and over again. It's a shame to see blood running down the drain. Them sell them soul for riches and fame. It's a shame, shame, shame. Hey, shame, shame, shame. Oh no.
Not take no talk from the government, because the things when them a come with Jah navigate. Oh, they burn the fire and them start to fret. Them come with gun fish shoot and gun can't sleep. Oh, tell them me nah be no Satanist, because the devil works the whole of them a practice. Hey, how me figure the dark side? I listen and see the light which is the right side. It's a shame to see blood running down the drain. Them sell them soul for riches and fame. It's a shame. So when the weather campaign, me burn them over and over again. It's a shame to see blood running down the drain. Sell soul for riches and fame. It's a shame, shame, shame. Oh, shame, shame, shame. Oh, yes. I've got so much things to say. They got so many gods, so be careful who you praise. You fast leaders out there, stop treating the people with your sweet talk and your pretty face. You will not get caught up in a hell. Remember Marcus teaching and Prince Emmanuel. When Parasite and Jezebel, you credit and fallen angel. No come